Hey there, folks. Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we break down the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we've got something special for all you TIG welding enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the PrimeWeld 100% Argon Gas Welding Tank, the best TIG welding gas available. Let's get right into it. Now, when it comes to TIG welding, having the right gas is crucial for achieving those pristine, flawless welds.
And that's where PrimeWeld steps in with their 100% Argon Gas Welding Tank. First off, let's talk about convenience. PrimeWeld offers the convenience of having industrial-grade argon welding gas delivered right to your doorstep. No more wasted trips to your local welding supply shop or dealing with costly rental fees. It's all about efficiency and ease of access. Now, let's dive into the specs.
This 80CF tank comes fully certified with a .3AA certification and a 10-year date stamp. You can rest assured knowing that your tank is ready to go straight out of the box, without any worries of being turned away for a refill. But why is argon the best gas for TIG welding? Well, with TIG welding, you need 100% pure argon to maintain a completely inert weld environment. This helps in forming a stable and controllable arc, resulting in clean and precise welds every time.
And here's the kicker. PrimeWeld's gas tank ownership is low cost compared to leasing options.
No more hefty deposits or being tied down to a single supplier.
It's all about flexibility and affordability for the avid welder. Plus, PrimeWeld stands by their product. If for any reason you're not satisfied with your argon welding gas tank, their customer support team is there to make things right for you. It's all about customer satisfaction. And there you have it, folks.
The PrimeWeld 100% Argon Gas Welding Tank, the ultimate solution for all your TIG welding needs. Don't settle for anything less than the best. Be sure to check out the links in the description below to get your hands on one of these tanks today. Until next time, keep on welding.